Angekommen im Private Room von Singapore Airlines. Das ist sozusagen
I'm a fool. Love isn't always sweet. I've trusted in you, baby. I'm on a one-way street. You talk so big, but you can't keep your word. You change your mind all the time. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, now. Don't say maybe. Don't say maybe now. Come on, baby. Come on closer to me. Come on closer.
Come on, baby.
You're playing games with my emotions. What will tomorrow bring? I'm not a kid anymore. Don't need no diamond rings. You came to me and you play it cool. Who do you think you are? So come on, baby. Come on, baby, now. Don't say maybe. Don't say maybe now. Come the time to go home. Come on, baby, come on, baby, now. Don't say maybe, don't say maybe now. Come on, baby, come on closer to me. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, baby, come on, baby, now. Don't say maybe, don't say maybe now. Come on, baby, you come on closer to me. Come on closer. Come on, baby, come on, baby, now. Don't say maybe, don't say maybe now. Come on, baby, come on closer to me.
Romantic fools, and the curtain was open wide. Our hearts still beat to the sound of the rainy sky. Games of love we played, we had so much fun. And after all, I still believe in you. You broke the rules. I don't know what's wrong or right. You packed your bags, you left the door behind. I'm sorry, but I ain't gonna change my ways. I dive into their streams much too long. There are two rainbows in the sky, one for your love, the other one cry out. Happiness soon goes by, such an array, heaven or pain. I told myself, never cross this bridge of love. I just can't sleep. I think of the things we've loved. Sometimes I realize how the time